Amazon just announced a brand new Echo Show at its Alexa event. The new device has a larger screen of 10 inches and gets rid of the strange chin of the first-generation device, along with a smart connection center inside and a new cloth back cover. Also new are the renewed speakers, with the updated show that offers two neodymium drivers of 2 inches with side shot that replace those in front of the screen of the previous model. Amazon also offers some new applications for the show. The company is partnering with Microsoft to take Skype calls to the show, and will add its own Silk browser as well as Firefox browsers. You can ask Alexa to show something interesting, in addition to getting new cooking instructions, step-by-step too. Along with the new hardware, Amazon is also introducing what it calls Alexa Presentation Language, a new developer language and tools for developers to make richer images and user interfaces on the Echo Show. Amazon also showed how the Echo Show can be integrated with its newly announced Fire TV Recast box, which can record television by air and transmit it to its other Amazon devices, including the Echo Show.